This video explains the ports used for connecting the F13 3D SIBs of a TX Matrix Plus switch fabric chassis and the line card chassis 3D SIBs in a routing matrix. In an F13 3D SIB, there are 16 ports. In an LCC 3D SIB, there are 8 ports. While all the 8 ports are used in a T4000 LCC 3D SIB, only ports 0, 2, 4 and 6 are used in a T1600 LCC 3D SIB. There are two types of cables for connecting the SIBs. The CXP cable has a detachable CXP transceiver. The AOC cable has an integrated transceiver. Let's first see a demo of the connections for the T1600 LCCs. Similarly, the connections are made for the T4000 LCCs. All the SIBs in T1600 LCC0, LCC1, LCC2 and LCC3 connect to the F13 3D SIBs in slots 0, 3, 6, 8 and 11. The SIBs in a T1600 LCC0 connect to the ports 0, 2, 4 and 6 on the F13 3D SIB. All the SIBs in a T1600 LCC1 connect to the ports 1, 3, 5 and 7 on the F13 3D SIB. All the SIBs in a T1600 LCC2 connect to the ports 8, 10, 12 and 14 on the F13 3D SIB. All the SIBs in a T1600 LCC3 connect to the ports 9, 11, 13 and 15 on the F13 3D SIB. Similarly, the cables from the SIBs in T1600 LCC4, LCC5, LCC6 and LCC7 are connected to the F13 3D SIBs in slots 1, 4, 7, 9 and 12. The SIB slots on the SFC for connecting to LCC0 and LCC2 are 0, 3, 6, 8 and 11. The SIB slots on the SFC for connecting to LCC4 and LCC6 are 1, 4, 7, 9 and 12. In a T4000 LCC0 and LCC4, all the 8 ports are connected to ports 0 through 7 on the F13 3D SIB. In a T4000 LCC2 and LCC6, all the 8 ports are connected to ports 8 through 15 on the F13 3D SIB. This picture shows the T1600 LCC with all the SIBs connected to the F13 3D SIBs. Here you can see a T4000 LCC with all the SIBs connected to the F13 3D SIBs. Here's an SFC with all the SIBs connected to the LCC SIBs.